Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix background image, color, and video. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's look or match your brand's style, customizing your background is one of the easiest ways to make a big visual impact. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, click on Website. This takes you to the overview of your current site, where you can manage all your website settings and content. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to change the background on. If you manage multiple sites, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're working on the right one before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on Design Site to move forward. This button is your gateway to the Wix website editor, where all the visual customization happens. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can make all your design changes in real time. From here, simply click on the background you wish to change. It could be the background of your homepage, a section, or any other page on your site. Once you click on it, you'll see a menu option named Change Background. Go ahead and click on that, and a background settings window will appear. This settings window is where the magic happens. It lets you change your background from color, images, and video, giving you full control over how your site looks. Simply click on each one that you wish to use. If you click on color, a color picker will open, allowing you to choose any shade that fits your brand or aesthetic. If you click on image or video, a media dashboard will open for you to choose from. You can upload your own files or select from Wix's library of stock images and videos. Once you've selected your preferred background, whether it's a color, image, or video, the changes will be reflected immediately on your site. You can always go back and adjust it if you want to try a different look. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Wix background to match your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.